Customization is so amazing for your skin because you get enhanced results that are tailored to your skin type versus buying it on the shelf. After I did the skin identity check, these are the 3 serums that I got for my cocktail. And all you have to do is add these 3 cocktails into one large bottle and you have your custom blended serum. My Daily Dose Serum Cocktail also has a prescription at the back, which is great because you can see exactly what the 3 serums are and what they do. So now I just mix them in. The Vitamin A Serum, great for combating dullness and brightening and evening your skin tone. The Vitamin B3 Serum, this is great because it's enriched with niacinamide and it also helps with troubled skin, like with blemishes as well. Last but not least, my Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is a great water magnet for moisturizing your skin. Can you see the little balls inside the serum? All of the Skin Ink serums have proprietary encapsulation technology. This prevents oxidation. It basically leaves the serum intact so that it only activates on your skin when you use it and mix it all together. Now let's try this on our skin. Here you can see the little capsules. Blend it together. Feels really nice and hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It feels really smooth on my skin and there's no strong smell from the serum. And I like that it's custom made for my skin needs. All I had to do was just do a little quiz. It feels really nice.